The present age is the age of science and technology. About 50 years back, school management was a simple affair, very easy to manage and control. But now, in the 21st century, the concept of school management is a challenging affair in the present times. A school is a society in its miniature form. A visit to some school gives a reflection of the society from where the children come to the school. The school is set up by the society for its own betterment. Ellsbury is right when he says, organization of a school is the administrative expression of the educational theory. Good institutions with good standards will ultimately help in the uplift of the society. The children receiving education in these schools are the nation builders. So, setting up a good school is the need of every social group. The term school organization consists of two words, school, organization. Meaning of school: school is happy home, a sacred shrine, a social center, a stated miniature of society. The school is one of the formal agency deliberately founded by man to fulfill some of the vital need of the human society. The famous educationalist John Dewey says the school is a special environment where a certain quality of life and certain type of activities and occupations are provided with the object of securing child development along desirable lines. Meaning of organization: organization is directly concerned with planning and efforts made by the people. It is a medium through which goals and objectives envisaged by the administration are realized. Definition of organization: organization of a school is the administrative expression of educational theory. By H.T. Street, the organization as that agency by which we achieve the desired objective. Now, meaning of management. Management means by the act of getting people together to accomplish desired goals. Management comprises planning, organizing, resourcing, leading or directing and controlling an organization or effort for the purpose of accomplishing a goal. According to Kuhns, management is the art of getting things done through and with the people in formally organized group. According to Mooney and Riley, management is the art of directing and inspiring people. Meaning of school management. School management means running the school along the desired educational policies. It takes into account all aspects of the school and integrates them into a fruitful whole. Good school management motivates the best efforts of the teacher and students. Definition of school management. According to B.K. Joshi, says that school is not a building of bricks and mortars. It is meeting place of the two souls, teacher and taught. According to S. Balakrishna Joshi, says that the progress of a nation is decided not in assembly, not in court, not in factories, but in schools. Nature of school management. Achievement of educational objectives and running of educational effectively depend upon the school management. So it is necessary that management in schools should be effective, objective based. It means to attain the objective of school and education. Quality of education. Good school management is concerned with the quality of education being given in schools. Third point, the best use of resources. In order to promote effective, efficient functioning of the school, it makes the best possible use of the material resources. Fourth point, joint enterprise. It involves the joint enterprise, all the personnel connected with the school, teachers, supervisor, people, parents, etc. Professional growth. It brings out the best in the teacher and supervisors and takes steps to promote their professional growth. Now, 6 point, efficiency and improvement. It tries to bring out overall the improvement and efficiency in the school. Now, next point is continuous process. It is a continuous process. It always concerned with improvement and development of the institution. Next is input-output model. It works on the input-output model. It takes into account the efforts made and the outcomes achieved. Community oriented. It is alive to social needs and requirements as the school is meant to serve the society. Scope of school management. How many elements are there that constitute school management is a question which has been thought of and answered differently by the experts. The researchers in the field of education have been their different views, but following are the major scopes on which majority of experts are agree. First is planning, organizing, staffing, budgeting, recording and reporting, direction, coordination, controlling. Now we will elaborate all these points. First is planning. Planning is essential for the beginning to the end. There is need of planning at the initial stages, in the middle and also at the end. The person who prepares planning seems to the aims means to achieve the resource available. Second is organizing. Organizing is setting up of things and providing proper school environment. It is very important aspects of management. Without it, there would be a confusion and shock, and that may result in the wastage of time, energy and material. The third point is staffing. An institution stands on the base of the staff. Staffing means recruitment of suitable staff for the institution as per its basic needs, having qualities and qualification that leads down by the authorities. Now next choice, budgeting. Budgeting means preparing the statements of income and expenditure for the smooth functioning of the school. Only a full considered budget will prove useful in the smooth functioning of the institute. Now next one is recording and reporting. Recording activities in the registers regularly and then maintaining them in an essential duty of the administration. Further, reporting about the activities also needed. The administrator has to report to the concerned management and something the employer to the higher authorities. Now 6th point is direction. Direction means providing guidelines to the school for its functioning. It indicates when to start action and when to stop it. Now 7th point is coordination. Coordination correlates the different activity going in the school. It brings harmonious relationship between the activity of the school. Controlling, as its name indicates, concerns overall supervision of the whole process of administration. Control is needed over textbooks, timetable, co-curricular activities, finance, budget, etc. It puts a break to an activity to appraise and evaluate the result. The better functioning of the school depends upon sound and systematic controlling. Thank you for watching.